Hey there. You ever hear someone say they do trading and wonder what the hell that actually means? Like, what are they doing? Clicking buttons? Guessing stuff? Or just straight up gambling? You're not alone. Welcome to Dumb Money Genius. And in this episode, we're breaking down what trading really is. Let's go. Trading is basically this: you buy something at one price, you sell it at another price. If the second price is higher, you win. That's it. You don't always own the asset that you trade, especially in Forex or crypto. You're just betting on the price going up or down. Think of it like flipping sneakers, but instead with assets. You're buying low, hoping to sell high. Or you're shorting, which is basically selling high and buying it back lower. It's literally just market vibes and strategy. What can you trade? Let's talk about the main characters in this saga. Stocks. You're buying pieces of companies like Apple, Tesla, or whatever Elon's tweeting about. Forex. So your currencies. Euro versus dollar. Dollar versus yen. It's the biggest market in the world. Traded 24/5. An absolute volume monster. And finally, there's crypto. So the likes of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Doge. This is like trading stocks, but it's super chaotic, super unregulated, and open 24/7. Each one has its vibes. Stocks are established, Forex is fast and technical, and crypto is the wild, wild west. Where does trading happen? It's not just some guy wearing a shirt and tie yelling on Wall Street anymore. Now it's all online. Apps, exchanges, broker platforms. You got TradingView for charts, and then you have the likes of MetaTrader, Binance, eToro, and like 100 others. The point is, you open a platform, pick an asset, decide if it's going up or down, and boom, you're in the game. Is trading like gambling? If you don't know what you're doing, then 100% yes. You're just gambling with extra steps. But trading with a plan, strategy, and risk management, it's a skill. Like chess, just a lot more emotional. Most people lose money trading because they treat it like roulette. Here, we're going to be building discipline and we're staying out of the casino. How do you actually place a trade? So to give you the quick version, you pick an asset like BTC USD, decide up or down, click buy, aka long, or sell, aka short. Set your stop loss, which is your safety net, and take profit, which is your target. Confirm it, and you're in. Then you just wait. Either it hits your profit goal, or you cut it. Simple. We'll do a full walkthrough in the next episode of how to place trades. So why people start trading? People get into trading for all kinds of reasons. Money, the freedom, no boss. Challenge, can you beat the market? And finally, as a side hustle. But once you're in, you start learning about psychology, risk, and self-control. It's more personal growth than most people ever expect. That's the basics. I would say that you now know more than 90% of finance and crypto bros on TikTok and Instagram. Next video, we're diving into how to read a chart without your brain melting or sizzling away on the frying pan. So do me a favor, smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, and drop a "yeah boy" in the comments if this helped. I'll see you in the next one.